Hey everyone, welcome to the Blaze Imports YouTube channel. My name is Jamie. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on the Protek Prodigy 610ez charger. I really like this charger. It is simple and effective. And it's very user friendly. Basically makes the charging process painless. All right everyone, well, let's get started. The Protek charger is a 100-watt charger. It does have a max capability of charging up to 10 amps. It is a multi-chemistry charger. It can charge Lipo high voltage, LiFe batteries, lithium ion, nickel metal hydrate, nickel cadmium, and lead batteries. It's really nice too because it actually has an automatic error detection feature. It does have storage and a few other features as well. All right guys, let's dig in. So here you can see we have the alligator clamps if you want to connect it to a different battery source in order to power the charger. Here we have our balance port. As you can see on the board itself, it does have 2-cell, 3-cell, 4-cell, 5-cell, and 6-cell. So you can charge all the way up to 6-cell. It does come with a Dean's charge lead. And let's open up the back. This should be the power cord. Here it is. So US plug. Now let's pull out our charger. So here's the charger. As you can see, it does have a variety of different accessories, temperature sensor, where you can plug in your alligator clips as well. If you're going to plug it into alternate source of power. Here you can see you have your main leads, your balance port. Balance port, we're just going to grab it, plug it into here. Make sure it's nice and seated, that it's not crooked or anything. It's straight in there, all the pins caught. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug in our power cable in the back here. So now we'll have power. We're going to go ahead and connect our main lead. Right here, we're going to go red with red, black to black. But in this case, for this demonstration, we're actually going to use one of our squids. That way we have a variety of connectors. So this way we can use it for the example. Of course, you can always purchase these at your local hobby shop. We'll have a link to this as well in the description. So we're going to do red to red, black to black. And now we're going to charge two batteries. One is a nickel cadmium, which is going to be the same way as you would charge a nickel metal hydrate battery. The other one is going to be a 3-cell 2200 20C battery as well, which is a Lipo battery that has the balance port. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with the nickel cadmium battery. We're going to connect it here. It's a Tamiya connector. Connect the main lead. You can see that there is some warnings on there. Highly recommend that you read through them. We're going to hit the start button twice to get over the warnings. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go through the chemistry types and find our battery. This one's a nickel cadmium battery. You can hit the stop button or the minus to cycle through the modes. So here we found it. It's NICD. We're going to go ahead and hit start. Then we're going to go ahead and see our MAW, which is what we're going to put over here. We're going to hit the start button. It's going to flash, indicating that we can change that. You can either hit the plus or the minus symbol to go up or down. In this case, it is 1800, so we're going to put it at 1.8. I'm going to hit start. And it does say charge on the top main lead. We're going to go ahead and hold the start button. And as you can see, it's already charging. Now, if we wanted to stop the charge or interrupt it for whatever reason, you would just hit the stop button and it'll automatically stop for you. So we're going to go ahead and switch out batteries now. The next example we're going to use is a 3-cell 2200 mAh 20C battery. We're going to go ahead and find our connector here, which this one is a Dean's. We're going to go ahead and plug in the main lead. And we're going to connect the balance port. So this one, since it is a 3-cell, you see there's a slot there that shows 3-cell. Go ahead and plug that in the correct orientation. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go into the different modes that the charger has. You can go to stop to go back to the menu. And the minus symbol or the stop will allow you to change different modes. In this case, we're going to go to Lipo. So there we are in Lipo. We're going to hit start. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in our mAh, or in this case, the amperage of it. So it is a 2200 battery, so we're gonna hit start once. It's gonna tell us on the corner, top right, what cell we have. We're gonna go ahead and bring it down to 3S, which would be 3 cell. We're gonna hit start again. Now it's gonna tell you how much mAh the battery is. We're gonna hit the minus sign here and go all the way down to 2200. Once you're on 2200, you would hit start one more time. It's gonna flash to the amps, but the charger automatically detects that and sets it up for you. So now all we would do is hold the start button and it'll start charging. Now, if you wanted to check, of course, other settings, different cells, you can actually hit the minus or the plus and it'll go into different features. So you can see here, you can see each cell individually to know what level each cell is. If you do want to stop the charging process, just hit stop until you see the counter stop. So you'd hit stop one more time and there you go. All right, so that covers the basics. Hopefully you're equipped to charge all your RC batteries. If you like this video and would like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to ding the notification bell to stay up to date. And always remember, have fun.